Let me learn how to use Helium 10. Step 1. Log in your TechsBerry membership. Step 2. Your developer mode must be on, and your TechsBerry extension must be installed. If you don't know how to install TechsBerry extension, then please click on I button and watch that video. Let's suppose your Helium link name is Helium 10.5. Open in new tab. Here's our Helium 10 dashboard or web. Left-click on Helium 10 extension. Browse Amazon Marketplace. Step No. 3. Please change location. Step 4. Most important. Your Helium 10 dashboard account and Helium 10 extension account should be same. Click on Helium 10 Chrome extension. On our web the name was Svitomir Krustev and on extension it's Uzer Kalim. The counts are different, it will show this error. But when both accounts are same, then it will work perfectly. You can see stats of this listing. I hope you got it. Let me check how to use sub-tools of Helium 10. Click on black box. Here is two options: simple and advanced. Advanced recommended. Now please put values in advanced filter. Then click on search. Before using sub-tools of Helium 10, please confirm your location should be same. Paste ACE in here and click on Get Keywords. Please ignore first 3 columns. It is showing not available because for this your Seller Central must be connected with Helium 10 and your brand must be registered. Similarly, you can use all the sub-tools. Thanks for choosing TechsBerry.